I've got over 50 clamps that are just scattered throughout the shop, but now I'm gonna have them in one central location. So watch this video and see how I accomplish it with this really cool rack that I got at Rockler.com. Hey everybody, this is Justin from Remodelaholic. Today I'm gonna start with organizing my clamps in my shop. I don't have a really good place for them. Right now they're just clamped up on top of a 2x6. It's spanning across my garage door supports. And then I have some clips over here that are hanging up on the pegboard. This pegboard's gonna go away because I'm going to start and install some cabinets in this corner. So I want to consolidate all my clamps into one spot. So I got what is called a pack rack. It's by Rockler. It has 4 wheels on it and I can move it around the shop where I need it. It's really cool because I'm gonna have some shelves inside as well to be able to organize different things. Let's go ahead and get it put together. Give me a thumbs up if you have a lot of clamps that you would like to organize. So I could have just built my own system, but in order to save time and quickly organize my clamps, I just wanted to buy and assemble a strong rack. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy yours. Also, we have a video on how I created this awesome workbench that I'm standing next to. So if you haven't checked it out yet, check out that workbench video here. What are some things that you are organizing in your shop? Leave a comment below. So this is how it looks and works right now with what you get out of the package as far as the frame. Look how many clamps this is holding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I mean 24 just on this side, and then all these little ones over here, I have over 50 clamps. Really awesome. I'm super excited about this. Super pleased. Now I don't have to have them scattered throughout the shop in one location. I've been kind of messing around, taking the bars and getting them to the right levels that I want for the clamps that I have. And so far, I have all these that I recently got. I have these old ones that I've had for a while. If I turn this thing around, pretty cool because now I can find all my clamps. They're all in one spot. I'm gonna have to figure out how to mount these. I might have to just store them on top or hang them on the side here. This video is part of a series that I'm making to better organize my shop. You can see all of those videos here. Coming soon in another video, I will show you how I take this rack and add a dust collector to it to help keep the shop clean. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.